Windows 11 has a specific feature called God mode. With this particular feature, you can access virtually everything on your Windows PC, but nobody is talking about it. In case you want to navigate through your computer with just one click and you have access to every damn thing you have on your computer, no need to run boss again like Windows plus R to bring you this run boss. Guys, you are good to go. And today this is very simple. Right click on your device, then click on new, then this folder, then paste this particular code you see on the screen display right away, and here is the code. Then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you have yourself at this place. Then click on this button. Here is what it does. With the click of that button, guys, you have access to every damn thing on your computer. You can access the add a Bluetooth device, add a device. You have so many things on this platform that you can use. So there's no need of you cracking your brain again to get a wrong command before you open any part of your computer. With this feature called God mode, then you are good to go to access every damn feature on your system. So you can check it out and let me know if you're able to do that on your device. Guys, this amazing feature that nobody is talking about on your PC, and it is called God mode. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please do subscribe and follow for more important tips like this.